face is like this moment where they're like, bye! Hi guys!
Thanks for joining us again for another video.
Today we're going to be going over what we call the shoulder lift. Let's start off with a quick demonstration. For this lift, we're going to start from what we call a fan position, which is where we stand a little bit apart facing the same direction. Alright, so the approach for this lift, as I mentioned, is going to be from a fan position. We're going to be facing the same direction. Leader's right hand holding the follow's left. To start it, you're going to give her a little bit of a tug towards you and then push her back to initiate a spin. So pull her towards and then push away to initiate that spin. As you do that, you're going to lower yourself down to the level that your shoulder is about at her lower to mid back height. And then you're also going to be ready to grab with the left arm, okay? So as she spins into you, we're lowering down, ready to put her on our shoulder and grab this leg, okay?
All right, and then ladies, so we are standing here. We're gonna put our left foot down, then our right, bringing our left arm up just to get it out of the way and for styling. And then right when he releases our left hand, we want to bring that over his shoulder and bring our left leg up, and we're ready to be lifted here.
For the lift itself, what's important is to keep plenty of weight up on that shoulder to make use of that, to make the lift a little bit mechanically easier. And then we're also going to use our left arm to balance the lady's leg, okay, and keep her up. Now you'll notice as we bring her across with the spin, this is going to give us some momentum turning to our left. So as we pick her up, we're going to make use of that and spin towards our left and use that to kind of accent the lift and make it more graceful, okay?
And so ladies, we are aiming for that shoulder. We want to make sure that the center of our back is going to be on his shoulder. So that's what we're aiming for with this.
So to show that real quick, we'll bring her up here. So for the set down for this lift, leads what you're going to be looking for, that first point of contact for the follows is that left foot. So you're going to be slowly lowering her down off of your shoulder and lowering your left arm so she comes down across your torso. Waiting for that left foot to contact the ground gently, and then she can make the rest of the transition onto the ground. And then once again, if your feet are facing this direction, you want to set her down a little bit ahead of your feet in the rotation so that as you're rotating, that rotation naturally brings you two back together.
And ladies, the whole time, so we are not connected with our hands here. We're just styling with them. You can bring them out. You can really do your own thing, experiment with that there. And then our left leg is pointing and our right leg is bent. And so that's just going to allow for another styling there too. And the whole time we want to maintain a nice core, strong core, so that we stay balanced up there.
Excellent. Now let's wrap it up with a final demonstration.
Thanks for joining us for this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more content from us. We hope to see you there.
Bye.
Bye.